It is 2021 and everyone wants to be a data scientist. Hi, in this video, I'm going to tell you what is data science, who is a data scientist, how you can become a data scientist in just 3 months. Before we go ahead, make sure you like this video, subscribe to our channel, and let's begin. One, what is data science? So, in a rough way, we can tell that data science is the field of study where we use large amounts of data to make some predictions. So, to draw some results or insights based on data. In easier words, we can say like we are going to be drawing some predictions based on events that have happened. Two, now what is a data scientist or who is a data scientist? An expert in this field, a professional in data science whose job is to collect this data, to organize it and to make structure it in a way in which you can read the data and you can get information, insights out of it is a data scientist. Now, why should you take on data science? So why should you become a data scientist? Glassdoor has reported that the number one wanted job in 2020, 2019 and 2018 has been data scientist. This means that there is a lot of opportunities in this industry right now and hence everyone should be looking forward to working here. Now the most important question, how can you become a data scientist and what are the skills you require to become a data scientist? The skills you need is programming, you need to know data visualization, and you got to be a confident speaker. Alright, so now let me tell you what all you need to learn data science or to become a data scientist. One, you need passion and dedication. So you are not going to learn data science overnight. It's not an easy journey, but you got to be determined enough to continuously learn a little by little every single day. You should not give up soon. Alright, so it's very important to have patience and to wait and learn slowly step by step. Two, you need a laptop. It is very hard to learn data science on your phone. It's always better that you have a laptop with you. You do not need any high-end PC for this or any laptop with an i3 processor is good enough. Second, the last thing you need is internet, and if you're watching this, I'm sure you have it. So that's all you really need. And now I will tell you how you can become a data scientist in just next 3 months. Alright, so let me divide this up for you by week schedule. So in 3 months we are going to have 12 weeks for you, right? So the first 1 week, right, this 1 week you should spend learning statistics and mathematics, or the mathematics required for data science. And this is what will build the foundation for you for the career in data science. So make sure you know statistics very well. As for where you can learn this, you can learn this from Khan Academy, the link for which will be given in description. But I recommend you finish watching this video before you dive into the resources so that you know how much you need to learn. So once you're done with that, the next 2 weeks of the remaining month, you should learn advanced Excel and data visualization tools. Why Excel? Because most companies still want you to be using Excel. Hence, this is in demand and you will need to learn it. The resources for this will also be given in the description. Now, the next month, the second month, is very important for you. Let's divide this month into 2 phases. One is where you will learn the basics of Python, and in the second one, you will learn Python with respect to data science. So for the first part, you can learn it from a series that I have done on my Instagram channel, link for which will be given in the description, and you can do the complete series there, and I'm sure you will be able to learn it quite easily. As for the second part, this is where you have to learn the libraries that is used in Python for data science. This can be pandas, matplotlib, and anything that we use for visualization or machine learning. So for learning this, I recommend you use free code camp. Alright, now comes the third month. So in the third month, the first week, I want you to spend this one whole week just learning SQL. What is SQL? It stands for Structured Query Language. This is the language we use to communicate with databases. Now, as a data scientist, you will be dealing with lots of data and you will need a place to keep these data sets. Most of the times they are kept in databases, and hence you will need to know how you can collect the data you need from these databases. So hence spend this one whole week learning database properly. Finally, for the last 2 weeks of your last month, spend these applying everything that you have learned in 2.5 months you had earlier onto real life databases, data sets to draw out some result. So these are basically making projects for your resume that you will hand over to companies to hire you. For ideas and for the databases, you can check out my Instagram channel, which is taruncode.py. I hope you like this video. Tell me if you want more in the comment section and share it with all your friends. Thank you guys.